Hey guys, my name is Irene, and I'm here at home since last Saturday. And I'm starting my YouTube channel, and I wanted to share some ideas with you on what can we do during isolation to stay sane and get out of it with actually knowing more than what we knew before that. We never had to be self-isolated. We are creatures that we like to be with everybody else. We can still do that. There is a lot of technology at least out there, so we have a lot of advantages. We can FaceTime people, so we're not going to be alone, and we can get through this. I feel very positive that everything is going to work out, and let's find things to do while we are staying at home. I already cleaned my house a couple of times, disinfected everything, got a bunch of groceries. Yeah, things are gonna be okay, and I'm getting ready to create little videos with you on my day-to-day basis on what things I'm working on, and you can share your ideas, and we can stay in touch so we don't feel alone. We are not alone. Let's see here. I'm trying to figure out what to name my new YouTube channel. Um, I'm here for almost a week in isolation since last Saturday, and I got a call from my work yesterday, my new job, that I'm not gonna be able to continue with my paid training. So I'm gonna create a YouTube channel and share my experiences on what do I do during isolation and how do I keep my sanity. We all gonna get out of this together, and it's all gonna work out, but it might be a little bit of time before it does happen. So I'm gonna post daily videos about what can you do to stay busy when you are home and away from everybody else. I feel blessed that at least I have a home, and I have enough groceries, I hope, for a little bit, and I'm not gonna have to go out. But I wanna stay positive also, and thinking that everybody out there is working to find a solution to this, and I feel positive that they will find a solution sooner than we think. While we send good vibes out in the universe, good things happen to us. I really believe strongly to that. So I'm gonna create a YouTube channel, and I'm debating on what I'm gonna name it. I was thinking something like surviving isolation during coronavirus or something like that. And I'm gonna be posting daily videos of different activities I do. Maybe you can share some of your ideas, and we can get through all of us together on how we all survive through this period that is gonna be historic. Actually, one day we're gonna be talking about it, and it's gonna be like, wow, do you remember when we had to stay home for X amount of weeks? Hopefully it's not gonna be for that long, but I don't know what you guys think about my title to my YouTube channel, but I'm getting ready to start it today.